Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you the structure of cell, the main components of cell. Cell, we know cell is the structural and functional unit of living organism, and there are two types of cells. There is a plant cell and animal cell. Okay. The components of cell are cell membrane, cell wall, nucleus and cytoplasm, protoplasm. Students, one important thing you should know that animal cell has cell wall, but plant cell has both cell wall and animal cell has cell membrane, but plant cell has both cell wall and cell membrane because of extra protection. Now let's discuss about the cell membrane. This is animal cell, this is plant cell. This is called cell membrane. Cell membrane. The outer covering of cell is called cell membrane, but in plant cell, this inner covering is called cell membrane and the outer covering in plant cell is called cell wall. Now, the most important thing regarding cell membrane is called semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane means cell membrane allows only few particles to enter and to exit from cell to outer surrounding. Okay, any material can enter into the cell, any few material can enter into the cell like carbon dioxide, oxygen can enter or exit from cell because of the permeation of the cell membrane. That is why cell membrane is called semi-permeable membrane. Okay students, if you have any query regarding the cell membrane, you can ask your question in my comment box. Regarding all other components, we will discuss in our other video. Thank you so much.